Kingscliff Sales and Rentals property video presentation 44 John Robb Way in Cudgen. Here's the property. Here is circled. It's in a quiet street in Cudgen, just located 3 kilometres from beaches and cafes. That's Kingscliff town in the distance there. Then going down to street level, here's how the property presents from the street. Neat and tidy presentation. Backyard faces north. Stepping inside, you step into a foyer entry area with slate tiles. Going down the staircase leads you to a open plan lounge dining room with combustion stove, window skylights as well as ceiling fan. Go through the kitchen modern with stone bench tops, stainless steel dishwasher. Off the kitchen is dining area, and off that there's a media room or 4th bedroom. Going out off the dining room, there's a large covered deck that swings around to reveal a staircase. As we go down the staircase, there's a pool on this lower level, very private in-ground pool, and a small yard on the other side of the in-ground pool. Then we'll just go back to the lounge room. Just off the lounge room there's a large internal laundry. Going back upstairs, this is where we've got all the bedrooms. This is the main bedroom. We've got air conditioner, ceiling fan and built-ins. Ensuite bathroom. Second bedroom sees air conditioner as well, and the third bedroom has built-in robes. Main bathroom sees bath, twin sinks, as well as internal shower, and garage is of double sized with remote control door. That concludes our video presentation 44 John Robb Way in Cudgen. If you're looking for a 3 or 4 bedroom house, please come and inspect this. As we saw, it's also got an in-ground pool close to the beaches and shops. It's a great family home. If you'd like more information on this property, then please call listing agent Erin McCormack 0407 144 119. Email her at sales@salesandrentals.com.au or visit our website for more photos at salesandrentals.com.au. Oh, and just one more thing. If you're thinking about moving to Kingscliff, then a handy reference is the Kingscliff app. The Kingscliff app was produced as a local business initiative by the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals. It contains everything you need to know about living and moving to Kingscliff. And it's free download in Google Play and the App Store. Download it free today.